Yeah. Pop in, running like this, ain't checking my wrist.
I've been thinking about this for a really long time.
Look at the clips, these credits are lit.
So hizi zote zitasonga hivyo. Hiyo ndio kitu ya kwanza. So wacha tuanzie hapo, tukiendelea nitawashow venye tutafanya. Yeah, and everyone has been here on time. We started on time. The gym is empty. It looks like we have the gym to ourselves to kind of do what we need to do. Sio kabisa, sio kwa ukuta sana. Ndio mtu akwe na space bado kidogo. Hapo. Here we have the cardio area. So for this particular gym, we've already moved the cardio machines, but before this area was an empty space. What you found is that a lot of clients would come and create group workouts. Group workouts end up interrupting the flow of how people are experiencing the gym. So you'll have a bunch of people here, they'll spill over into the walkway as well and interrupt other people from working out. So what we've done is we've closed up that space, moved the cardio machines into a central location. The management was a bit skeptical about moving the cardio from the initial entry walkway just because they felt like the first thing they want their clients to see is cardio. It's a fair point, however, we're working with a very tight space. So we want to be as efficient as possible. So we have to make a few sacrifices here and there. And especially with the group workout situation, that was something that the management specifically wanted to discourage. So with those things in mind, we have to weigh a couple of things and find out what works best. So with moving the cardio machines and closing that area, we've created a better space for our free weights area. Tunaweza anza kutoa hizi kutoka hii rack, mzitoe ndo tubebe iende kule kwa hiyo nini kioo.
I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go.
This equipment is not light, so it's good to have the amount of help we have.
I just did 10, gotta go. Go.
So far so good. I like how what I imagined in terms of what space we would need for certain things is working out as planned. So another thing that happened not too long ago is the gym got a new piece of equipment, the abductor machine that you can see there. So this kind of threw a bit of a monkey wrench in my initial design, but now we have to work with it. Essentially, what it's done is made the leg area to have a bit more items in the area initially planned. But so that's something I've had to work around today, which is trying to fit in a whole other piece of equipment that we hadn't planned for. But I think it'll still work out. Again, space management right now has been the biggest key. So it's just a matter of working with what we have. Hapo. It is almost noon now. Shujaa Performance Lab on location. We had an amazing assignment in Westlands at Jenga Fit Gym. This is actually the gym I go to, and we've been in talks with management, and leadership finally gave us the green light to come about and figure out a new layout for them. So it's been a bit of a long process, but much needed, just because all the way from the planning as far as figuring out what would work best for the space, thinking through it, going back to the drawing board, and then even on the ground today we've had some changes to our original plan, but it's worked out really well. We will be showing a proper walkthrough of what we've just done, but I'm really happy about how it's gone. The space feels a lot more airy, it's a lot more functional. Things are where they ought to be. At the end of the day, the way we always speak about flow, layout, functionality, it all feeds into the experience your customer is having at your gym. So we came with that mindset. We have moved things around with the customer in mind. Essentially, that's the goal with all of this. Because again, you can always move, you can fill a room with a bunch of equipment. If you have the money, you can buy a bunch of equipment, fill up a room. But the question is, how will your customers be maneuvered in that space? You have to really think through those things, and that's what we try to bring today here at Jenga Fit.